How to rotate 90-degree from mirror screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connected devices. In here, go down and tap on smart view. Then tap on the more button and tap on settings. In settings, go down and then tap on lapse. And from here, tap on rotate 90-degree. So each time you tap on this rotate 90-degree, the screen will rotate. So here's the screen shown on the display device will rotate 90-degree each time you tap here. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.